How to send and buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. To send Bitcoin, first of all, just go ahead and open Coinbase, go to the search bar on the top side, and then search for Bitcoin. So after it appears, just go ahead and click on it. You can see the transfer option on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and tap on transfer and then tap on send. Once you tap on send, you can enter the email, address, invoice, or phone number, or you could just go ahead and click on this icon over here and scan the QR code to send the Bitcoin to your Coinbase account. Now to buy the Bitcoin, it's quite easy as well. So go ahead and search for Bitcoin, tap on it, and then you can see the option of buy and sell on the left hand corner. Go ahead and click on buy and sell, then click on buy. Once you do this, you can easily add in your payment details and then easily buy the Bitcoin. So guys, this is how easy it is to send and buy Bitcoin on your Coinbase account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.